friends, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. And yes, we are going to dye our hair again. I know. I just dyed my hair this mint green color from Lime Crime, but I'm already kind of tired and sick of it. This is how it looks right now, and it's just, I don't know, it's just not my favorite. I do think it looks very cute, but I want something a little bit stronger. And yeah, just a little bit more of a pop. But don't you worry, I will not take away the green. I know a lot of you guys thought the green was super cool, so I'm going to just make it more green. I was out today and I picked up the Manic Panic Venus Envy color, and also the Manic Panic Electric Lizard, and this one should glow in the dark, which, yes. So I'm thinking that I will use this darker green in the roots and this one in the tips of my hair. I've never tried Manic Panic. I know it's a brand that a lot of people love. Why I used these was because I wanted to dye my hair today, and you cannot get Arctic Fox or Lime Crime in stores here. So that is why I take what I can. And these are sold in Sweden. Apparently it's two different dyes. One of them lasts longer, they say. Not sure which one of them. I don't really care. I won't have this for so long, I don't think. If I don't love it, who knows? But yeah, I'm just gonna get started. I'm going to, as you guys know, I've dyed my hair many times this year now. I'm just going to brush through my hair, and then we're just gonna start and put it in our hair, because we do not care with all of that pre-thingies that people do. Just a quick note about the hair that I have right now is that I do think it looks really cute, but I really like the root color a lot more. So if you use this dye, I have a video on it, then I would suggest to really bleach your hair and use silver shampoo to get all of the yellow pigments out of your hair before you do use the shade, because I don't really like the tips, and the tips were very yellow when I dyed it, so that's why. Alrighty, I'm just gonna strip a little bit, and then we're gonna start applying this in our hair. This is how the dark green looks. So I'm gonna use this in my roots, and then this is the one that I will use in my tips. I cannot find my hair dyeing brush. I'm just gonna use my fingers today, and I'm just gonna dip my fingers in this, use it, and then yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Let's go. Woo! I'm gonna put on some Alma. I'm obsessed with this song. This looks so good. And then it is time for the other dye. it said you should leave it for 30 minutes, but I think that I will leave it on for at least 1 hour. I think that I will love the neon shade. Maybe I should have gone with it the entire head, or like the entire hair. But we'll see. I really like the look of it right now as well. I think that we will actually see each other tomorrow morning because it is very late. So yeah, we'll see each other when I've rinsed this out and when I've just woken up and probably have some makeup on because I don't wanna scare you guys. Okay, so see you guys tomorrow for the end result. All right, are you guys ready to see the end results? 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! Look, 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 look! I'm neon. I don't even know how to describe this hair color. I look like I fell in some sort of toxic, I don't know what. Something toxic. I look toxic and I love it. I really like it. Do you guys like it? Because I think I really like it. I used to be so into like pastel colors, but as I've grown older, I've been really into these like super neon shades. And I'm not really sure where it came from because this is like, hello, I'm emo 15 again and I only listen to Tokyo Hotel. It kind of screams that, but I think it works with me now when I have like another fashion style and just another like way of doing my makeup and stuff like that. I don't think it screams emo anymore. I just think it screams like cool chick. So yeah, this is the end result of the hair. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up so I know. And just a quick note, I've heard from you guys and I've heard from people in real life, and I've understood that green is a very hard shade to remove, but I think that I can go around it. I've gone from black to white like 5 times, and I've had red hair. Like, I think that green is not, I think I will be able to handle it when I want to change my color again, which might happen. I had the mint green for like 2 weeks maybe, or maybe not even 2 weeks, I'm not really sure. But I must say that I like this green a lot better, and it's just so cool. I really like that it's darker also in the root area. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you did like this video and my hair, please give it a thumbs up and also vote up here what you think of the hair. No, not right now. I also hope you guys have an amazing day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye guys!